All right, I got good news and bad news on making the kind of money I make online. One, two, three, four, $500 on a daily basis, weekly basis, whatever, monthly basis, whatever you want to call it. There's two good newses and there's one bad news. So I'm gonna go good, bad, and then good, because I don't want to destroy everybody's hopes and dreams here. Good news number one, I can give you literally every single thing that I know that's generating me the kind of money I make to support myself fully online. I can give it to you. In fact, I do. My pro members, y'all know. Y'all be talking to me in one-on-one, and I'm just telling you, like, this is what it is. Oh, by the way, I told you guys in one of the last videos that I've been working on my revamped pro extra bonus training page, which I'm almost done with. I've got like 4 or 5 more videos to shoot, and it's going to be freaking amazing. I literally show you guys what I do to make the kind of money I make. Even like, and not only that, like I prove it. Like, let's give an example. Like, I shot my Facebook training module and I literally walk you through how I made a $100 sale just using Facebook. No videos. Nobody wants to like making videos and all that. So yeah, I like telling people what the heck I do, especially if you paid money for anything I promoted. Like, I don't take that stuff lightly. That's good news, because a lot of people don't really want to let you in on what they do, okay? Now here's the bad news, okay? Here's the bad, right there, right in the middle, the bad news. It's not gonna matter how much value I give you. It's not gonna matter how much I break down exactly what I do, step by step by step by step. If you do not believe in yourself, it's not going to matter. You're not going to see results. You're not going to get anywhere. If you do not truly believe you can actually follow something and do this yourself. And I sound super cliche, and I kind of hate the fact that I'm saying believe in yourself, because it's like, I don't know, that's a part of mindset stuff that I feel like is too flu and too gimmicky nowadays. But I have been amazed, because I have been working with people more one-on-one and really trying to get to the meat and potatoes why one person gets results with the same system, same training, same advice, and then another person doesn't. And there's several different reasons, right? One of them for sure is being consistent no matter what. But then, like, when I really look at it on a deep level, like, people just don't believe in themselves. You have to believe in yourself. I want to let you know the good news, the last good news I want to leave you with is I'm nobody special. Guys, the people you see making great money doing what they do with affiliate marketing or whatever, they're not saying that we're not special, okay? But I'm saying, like, it doesn't take somebody just like incredibly special, have this weird kind of gift to do what, you know, I do or what other people do to make money with affiliate marketing. Like, maybe if like I was out here like being a professional singer, then maybe I could say, yeah, it takes a little bit of a special person to do that. You got to have some talent. You got to have this. You still got to have work ethic. You got to look a certain way. You know, maybe. But with this stuff, with the online things, like, it doesn't take somebody like incredibly smart. You know, you do have to have some tech knowledge behind you, but it's not like we're over here just writing code and doing all kinds of weird things like that online to get the results. So if you don't believe in yourself, I want to let you know it's in you. You can do it. Like, anybody that's getting results online with anything, I'm telling you, like, there's no kind of magic weird thing that they've got with themselves and, you know, something that you can't acquire. You can do this. You got this. I will show you everything I know. But if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't want to follow it, or I don't know. I mean, I guess the other thing is you could just think I'm lying, I guess, which I guess you can. But most people who work with me, I think, believe me and, you know, see what I'm doing. But it's like, for some reason, they have a hard problem duplicating it. And now that I'm working with so many people one-on-one, it's kind of like people just don't believe in themselves. And a lot of times people that we're going to argue with me on this, they'll say, really what they do is they'll create excuses as to other things. They'll really say, no, it's the system. No, it's the person I joined. And it's really, those are just excuses, but it really comes down to you at the end of the day. Again, pro members, stay tuned, because that's what I've been doing these past few days. I haven't made a video. I've been really working hard on this revamped extra training page for my pro members. So that should come out really, really soon. I've got 4 or 5 more videos I have to do before I release it. So anyways, talk to you guys later, and let's make some money.